Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today's video we're going to be doing the engine air filter in a 2006 Honda Civic. This is for the 2006 to 2011, and what we're going to be putting in is a K&N performance filter. These things are actually really great. They are reusable, so you can clean them and reuse them for many years, or this even works with the standard like disposable ones as well. There's going to be links in the description down below so you guys can hop on Amazon, pick these things up. But I just decided to go ahead, upgrade, go with the kind of better one with the K&N filter. But let me put the camera on the tripod so we can go over to the engine bay and get started with replacing the filter. Alright guys, so to replace the engine air filter, it's going to be in the air box right here. There's actually these 4 little tabs, there's 2 on the front and then 2 on the driver's side. So we're just going to go ahead, grab these and just pop them right off. And we are going to do that to all 4 of them. Once you do that, you can go ahead and lift on the upper part of the box. And it does kind of slide forward a little bit. So you can lift that up, reach in here, pull out the old filter. There we go. And this is actually pretty dirty. So we're going to set this aside. We're going to grab the new filter and just go ahead and set it in place. Make sure you get that, obviously that corner that's kind of cut off is going to line up perfectly. And when you're going to set the box back down, there is like some little tabs that are going to slide into the back. So you're going to align it and then push it kind of back and then all the way down and flip up these 4 clips on the side. And just like that, the engine air filter is replaced. If you guys did like this video, go down, hit that like button below. And if you guys did have any other questions or any comments, put it in the comment section. I do reply to everybody. But like I said, there's going to be links in the description down below if you guys want to pick up the K&N filter or just a standard filter on Amazon. There's going to be those links down there as well. Have them at your house same day or even like next day depending on where you live, or very soon and pretty convenient. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and to see a lot more videos with this car. But as always, thank you for watching.